everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some rustic farmhouse decoration ideas. Let's take a look. Rustic farmhouse decor blends cozy, vintage and natural elements to create a warm and inviting space. It draws inspiration from rural homes, incorporating wood, metal, and soft fabrics to achieve a lived-in, timeless look. Key features of rustic farmhouse decor: natural materials, reclaimed wood for furniture, beams, or shelving. Orthodon and galvanized metal for fixtures, planters, and lighting. Linen and cotton for curtains, pillows, and upholstery. Displaced and vintage elements, weathered or GB paint finishes on furniture. Antique or repurposed decor, vintage signs, old windows or barn doors. Mismatched furniture for a cozy, collected over time feel. Cozy and functional decor, open shelving with farmhouse dishware, mason jars, animalware, and ceramics. Soft textiles, turnkey knit blankets, rain-shock pillows, and plaid or gingham patterns. Oversized farmhouse tables and rustic wooden benches. Farmhouse-inspired accessories, large wall clocks, wooden signs with inspirational chords. Wicker baskets for storage and organization. Rustic lanterns, candle holders, or addition bulb light fixtures. Greenery and natural elements, dried lavender, cotton stems, or eucalyptus in ceramic or metal vases. Wooden planters or galvanized tubs with fresh herbs. Mix old and new pages pair vintage finds with modern touches to create a balanced look. Choose natural wood and metal accents, incorporate reclaimed wood for shelves, tables, or beams. Use galvanized metal or iron or black hardware for contrast. Add cozy textures, use soft linens, turnkey knit drawers, and jute rugs for warmth. Decorate with farmhouse-inspired accessories, display vintage signs, rustic blocks, and wooden trays. Oven baskets for functional storage and farmhouse stands. Incorporate greenery. Use real or fox plants like eucalyptus, lavender, or cotton stems. Assemble with on a door or place potted herbs in the kitchen. Layered lighting for warmth. Use lantern-style pendants, LED bulbs, candlers, or sconces. Add candles or string lights for a cozy atmosphere. Furniture and layout. Go for simple, sturdy pitches. Choose well-crafted, solid wood furniture with a slightly distressed or weathered look. Mix and match styles. A farmhouse table with mismatched chairs adds charm and character. Use open shelving, floating wooden shelves with visible backlights, create a farmhouse feel and are perfect for displaying decor. Incorporate a statement bridge, a sliding barn door, and a cabinet or oversized farmhouse dining table can serve as a focal point. Walls and textures. Shiplap or bedboard walls. Adding shiplap or bedboard can instantly bring a farmhouse vibe to any room. Exposed brick or stone. A brick accent wall or fox stone can embrace the rustic charm. Distressed or whitewashed wood. Use whitewashed wood for ceilings, wall, and furniture to add warmth and texture. Decor and accessories. Vintage finds and repurposed items. Hunt for unique vintage pieces at thrift stores or flea markets, such as old leathers for blanket storage. Messengers and animal wear. These classic farmhouse accessories work well as vases, storage containers, or kitchenware. Oversized farmhouse signs. Add wooden or metal signs with inspirational quotes, farm animal motifs, or rustic typography. Baskets for storage. Oven or wire baskets help organize clutter while enhancing the farmhouse aesthetic. Lighting and ambience. Go for rustic light fixtures, lantern-style pendants, old-tightened candlers, or additional bulb fixtures. Add a vintage farmhouse feel. Layered lighting. Combine table lamps, sconces, and natural light for a cozy atmosphere. Candles and lanterns. Use pillar candles in hurricane lanterns for a soft, inviting glow. Flooring and rugs. Opt for wood or wood-look flooring. Natural hardwood or laminate with a rustic finish works best. Display eucalyptus, olive branches, lavender or potted herbs in terracotta pots. Hang a wreath year-round. A simple greenery with boxwood, cotton or eucalyptus can be great addition to doors or walls. Incorporate dried flowers, dried with lavender or cotton stems in ceramic or metal vases. Enhance the plastic look. Use slip-covered furniture, white or neutral slip covers on sofas and chairs. Create a cozy, lived-in look. Thanks for watching the video.